Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz. I'm the tractor. I'm just off to do my morning chores and feed all the kararehe. The animals. Whai mai, come and meet my friends. Perfect. Oh. This is what the cows are having for parakuihi. Come on. Haramai. Haramai. Tēnā koutou. Kia ora, my mates. Check them out. This one here is called Stewie. Stewie is the biggest cow out of them all. They like karaihe, hay, kamenga, and scratches. Check it out, my cuzzies. This is Minnie Moo. Look out how cute she is. Oh. Minnie Moo's the smallest cow out of them all. But even though Minnie Moo's the smallest, they still eat the most. Ooh. Something you don't know about Minnie Moo, she's also really good at maths. That's right. She's an accountant. Hey, Big Mac. Hey, Big Mac. Come back over here. We've talked about this. You need to come and eat your parakui. It's the most important meal of the day. If you want to get big and strong like me, you're going to have to eat your parakui. Check this out. That's right. It's all parakui. There you go. There you go. Ah, kapai, my mates. That's all of your parakuihi. All right, time to go feed all of our other friends. Ka kite anō. Te tiro, my cuzzies. These are our hoi-ho. Ko Poto tēnei, and this is her daughter, Paku. Oh, they're so much fun to play with, and they're really, really fast. E hia kai ana kourua. These hoi-ho love their kai. Here you go. Hey, what kind of a shoe do ponies wear? A hoof. Man, I've still got it. Hey, are you keen on a race? Yeah? All right, let's do it. All right, here we go. Are you ready? Te, rua, toru, cut off you are! Go, 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 go! 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 Hey, tino fast. All right, my cuzzies, time to feed the hippie. E hoa ma, meet my friends Minty and Hinare. Yep, that's right, I can understand them. Minty says, Atamari e Buzz, and Henry, he's saying, oh, Henry wants some sandwiches. But Minty's saying, meh. I'm not sure what that means yet. All right, Henry, time for a kite. I don't have any sandwiches, but I have the next best thing, miraka. Whee! Minty's grown up enough to just eat grass now, but Henare still loves miraka. Check it out, he's keen as. I love feeding my friends in the morena. It's a great way to check in with them and make sure they're all right. Hey, does anyone have a joke? That's a good one. I've got one. What do you call a fast lamb? A Lamborghini. Still got it. What's that? Oh, I'm having a lovely day, thank you. Don't forget the... That's right. Oh my gosh, cuzzies, yous are not gonna believe this. You've got to come and see. Have a lovely day, hippie ma. Ka kite anō. So the other day, we had about 20 new friends born on the farm. Can you guess what they are? I'll give you a clue. They're fluffy, they have 2 legs, 2 wings, and they go cheep, cheep. That's right, they're chicks. Let me introduce you to them. Chicks, where did I put them? Hello. Cheep, 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 cheep. I can hear you! Come on, cuzzies! There you are! Atamari e pipi ma! Titino, my cuzzies, these are my new friends! Let me introduce you to them all. So, that one's called Maya, Kaya, Hene, Hunu, Kev, Craig, Baza, Shaza, Gaza. That one's Tui, Toi, Pito, Putu. Oh, and that little one's name is Te Hei Hei Iti Rawa Atu e Ngākau Nui Ana ki te tipi haere Kiwiwi Kiwawa Te Tue Iwa. Oh, check it out, my cousins. This little one's name is Hunu. Hunu means rays of sunshine. Tēnā koe Hunu. Kia ora. Did you know that chicks can communicate with their mothers while they're still inside the egg? I wish I could communicate from inside an egg. Peep, peep. Oh, Huna is saying, remember to tell everyone that chickens are super, super smart. They can recognize up to 100 faces, including humans. Oh, you remember my face, don't you, Hunu? Kia ora. Hey, Hunu, I've got something to help you go nice and strong. Anei tokai. Here's your food. Ooh. Thank you so much for helping me to feed all my friends this morning, my cousins. Hey, I think it's time for some parakuihi myself. Ka kite anō. Hey. Hang on, I've got one. What do you call a chicken that plays jokes on people? Anyone? A practical yoker? Practical yoker?